Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am going to do an unboxing of my new Happy Planner spring release order. So I started to open this and then I was like, oh my gosh, don't open that yet. I've got to do an unboxing. So FedEx always writes my address for some reason on the box, so I did pull that off. So I have not opened anything, and I've kind of got an idea of what all I ordered, but not everything. So I'm going to pull everything out of the box, and then I'm just going to show you what I grabbed. So let's see. Now I did pick up some sticker books and things just here and there, and I also went to Michael's, so there was not a whole lot of stuff that I needed from the actual Happy Planner website. So I did get the mini dashboard layout. It's the, is it Pressed Florals maybe, I think it's called. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you want me to do like a thorough flip through of this planner. But it is just the mini dashboard layout. I'm not really crazy about it because it does have color like in the boxes here, but it's the only mini dashboard layout that they have available, so I'm gonna just make do with it. So this is the cover, and I think this one is available at Michael's. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway, so that's my mini dashboard layout. And then I'm not even really sure if I'm going to use these, but these are the elastic band pen holders that you can put over your planner. So I thought they would go good with my new snap-in cover that I got. I also got the Flower Power Mega Sticker Book, and there are a lot of flip throughs of this sticker book on YouTube, but there are just, you know how I am with my florals, and I just had to have this sticker book. So when I saw that it was back in stock, I went ahead and added it to my cart. Like, these flowers are gorgeous. These like muted colors, these are flowers we've never seen before, so definitely love these flowers. And a lot of them, like these were never any of my favorites, but these were in the Fun Floral sticker book. A lot of these we have seen before. These I think were in the Socialite. These were in the Fun Florals sticker book. So a lot of these we've seen before, and some of them are new. But you know how I am about a good flower. So I had to have this mega sticker book, and I'll be using it soon. And then I got, now I did order this Modern Year dashboard layout before I actually got the Joann's exclusive all neutral one. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I did go ahead and get this one just in case it sold out. So this is a Happy Planner exclusive, and it's kind of a neutral dashboard layout, and I will do a flip through of this one on my channel because I don't think that any of the squad got these, and I think that just the Happy Planner has a flip through. So this is just more like neutral tones basically, and there's not a whole lot of decoration. Like, all the dividers are pretty simple. And then the color shading in the boxes is very neutral. So I figured that this one could be a good backup if I couldn't get my hands on the Joann one. But I did actually order it from somebody on a buy sell trade group. Picked one up for me, and she has mailed it to me. So the other two things that I got, so I really love snap-in covers. And then this is the brand new, sorry. This is the brand new style of snap-in covers, and I wanted to just see, yeah, these feel really good. So I'm using the black quilted one. It's actually over there, so I'm not going to grab it. And the black quilted one is really hard. This is more flexible, but this feels really good. It feels really high quality. And so you've got the rose gold here on this pretty blush pink, and then I also got the black one. I do know that I'm going to use probably the black one right away. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one right away. I don't know yet. So we'll see what I come up with. You guys will see what I come up with on my next Plan With Me video as far as covers go. And I will be doing a flip through of that Joann's exclusive neutral dashboard too as soon as it gets here. It was supposed to be here today, but it didn't show up yet. And then I got this Leopard. This is Colorful Leopard. It's a zip folio. I have not had one of their new zip folios yet, and I was pretty hesitant to actually get one because I had the planner purses, and to me these feel really cheap. Like, I don't know if you know what I mean. It's just, they feel like plastic. But I did purchase the vertical lined Colorful Leopard classic size planner that I'm going to be using as a budget planner. So I thought that this would come in handy and match my budget planner to keep like business receipts and whatnot in. And I'm sorry that you can't get like a full view, but I really fell in love with this inside. This is really pretty neutral leopard print on the inside with this real pretty coral pink. So I just think it's really pretty, and the quality feels about the same as the planner purses. It's just, it's fake leather, like almost plastic, but you know, I think it'll do for just a leave at home budget planner cover. So I don't do plain with me's or anything like that in my budget planner. If that's something you guys are interested in for the vertical layout, let me know. It's aligned vertical. But anyway, so that is my haul from the Happy Planner. So I got the zip folio, the Flower Power Mega Sticker Book, I think this is called Pressed Florals, I think, but it's the Dashboard Layout Mini, the Modern Year Classic Size Dashboard Layout, and the 2 new color snap-in covers, and then the elastic bands. So that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what all you got from the new spring release, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.